Evolve my turkey! Turkey's evolving! Into big bird! Turkey! And now he's became a roast turkey dinner. Look how beautiful. He's so beautiful. The Star Raptor. He got a nice haircut. Thanks for rubbing in your gym badge in my face. I don't give a shit. Man, look at all the Pokemon you got. And you finally evolved it into a Staravia. I can't believe you just got it to a Staravia. That is embarrassing. Get him, Cherry. Good job, Cherry. Alright, Turkey. Get in there. This is what a true bird looks like, Barry. This is what your bird should look like, Barry. Not that puny thing. Oh my god. Oh, fuck, hot. Yes, see. Great, now I can just imagine Barry being a masochist. About that. Why? Be like, you're a teacher. Oh, I hate my brain. Oh god. Your puny bird cannot come battle my big. So done. You just turned back the barriers on the floor. I hate my brain. Say it, Mom. Oh, get me out of here! I'm losing my mind. Oh, thank God. Oh god, that face did not prove anyways. Shit. Aggressive mode. God, I laugh at the stupidest shit. I laugh. Oh, I laugh at stupid shit. Maybe next time we will get a bigger bird. Yeah, I hope he gets a bigger bird when we start with him again. That's a big boy. It's the little bird. It's the little bird. We started this with the little bird. We're stuck in the pain train. Fuck you, bird. Here we go again with the bird. What bird? Oh, the birds, no! Hating on penguins, typical bird hater. I'm not a bird hater, Barry just has a small bird. Barry's bird was smaller than my bird. Oh, we're back on the bird topic. Oh shit. Oh, the bird jokes are gonna come back when I play Diamond and it's gonna come back. I can just feel it. Hope you're ready for possibly more bird jokes. The minute Barry gets a Staraptor, I won't shit-talk him. But for now, I shit-talk him because he has a tiny bird. Barry's bird saga. Barry's bird saga.